your logo. You try to take, and if you are out to comment. Who is that? I don't want it anymore. Dude, just be great. So. You can tell me if you're down here. Oh, I got an idea. How to make right. Never mind. It's already the skeleton back. If you will have to comment. 3, 2, 1. I'm back now. Oh, it's a Kinder chocolate. Oh, the milk. No. Okay. So it's to put to the milk. It's time to eat, baby. This flavor is chocolate, so delicious. Okay, to purge the chocolate. To eat. Hey, boss, you're gonna give me a chocolate? Okay, sure. This is the flavored chocolate. And choose the fall of there. This is the fall of the chocolate. Now it's time to eat. This is the 𝐃𝐎𝐍'𝐓 logo. This. Whoa. It's for me? Yes. Thank you, baby. Time to eat, baby. Oh, there's one. Delicious. Now cherry turns more. Okay, so the last one. I want you to drink the milk. This is the full of milk. Yeah. This is the drink milk. Delicious, everything. Thank you so much, Chad. There we go. Bye-bye, guys.